Hi everybody. We're going to do a post-workout stretch because it's so important to stretch after your workout. This is a nice, easy, clean routine that you can follow with me. I'm Nora Day. Okay everybody, if you've done a nice workout, either running, swimming, playing tennis, you need to stretch out these muscles that have been so active. So let's do some stretches together. I like to use blocks sometimes. Blocks are very helpful when you're stretching. So super simple. Take your right foot forward. Take your left leg back. My back left knee is on the mat. Make it nice and easy. Put this block at the highest level and take your hands on the block. It's a super nice psoas stretch. And as we sit here for a little bit, you're going to see that you're going to start loosening, and opening the body. Okay? If this block is too high, you can change it to the other height. You can switch it over, and now your body's a little lower, and you're getting a little deeper in your psoas and a little deeper on that front inner thigh. Whew, this is a good post-workout stretch. And for us to keep it a little more interesting, we're going to lean back. Start straightening that front leg. Now I'm getting the hamstring of my front leg, but I'm still on the block. And I can segue back and forth. Bend the front knee and come back, lean back. Some of you super flexible don't need the block. You can take your hands on the floor. Coming forward and leaning back. Again, this is something like a cool down after your workout. This also prevents injury and keeps your body ready for the next workout, so you're not so stiff. To continue on, take both hands to your right knee. Find the balance, find your center point. Take both arms up to the sky. Take 3 breaths together with me. Take an inhale and exhale, sit deeper. Take an inhale, sit a little deeper. Last breath, inhale. On the exhale, drop your head back, exhale. Head comes forward, hands come to either the block or your mat. Start straightening your front leg. Release the pose. In between sides, take your hands down, hands under your shoulders, feet and knees about hip width apart. Take an arch. Take a round. So now we're getting into the spine. Take an arch. Take a nice round. One more. Arch the low back, straight elbows, round the low back. Keep that right knee down, step the left leg forward. Again, we can start with the block. Block at the highest point on the inside edge of your front foot, and I'm sitting in the pose. So now I'm stretching my right psoas. Getting that nice, long cool down. So important, you guys. Make sure and stretch after your workouts. I find that a lot of people get much more flexible if they stretch after. A lot of ballerinas that I know have a really good routine of stretching after their long day of practice or after their performances. You've got to take a moment to stretch. If you want to take this block lower, take the block lower. See, already I'm getting way deeper in that back psoas. Front inner thigh has a nice long stretch. And if you are very flexible, you don't need the block at all. You can take the block to the side, hands down on the mat. You can also do the segue with me where I lean back and I stretch my front hamstring. Come forward. And then back. Nice long hamstring on the left side. Let's do it again. and lean back. Oh, I love this stretch. This is a low lunge with my back knee on the mat. So I take both hands to my front knee and I take the arms up. Again, this is a middle center point balance. Everything's rotating into midline. Arms come up, taking 3 breaths together. Take an inhale. Exhale, sit deeper. Relax on your inhale. Relax on your exhale. We have one more breath. Inhale. Drop your head back. Exhale. Head comes forward. Hands come to the mat. Step it back. Nice and slow. Ease out of these stretches. Knees are about hip width apart. Hands underneath my shoulders. Keep straight elbows the whole time. Arch. And exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Use the breath. Inhale, arch, open. Exhale, bring it all together. One more. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Let's open up the knees. Bring the feet together. Sit back in a wide knees, child's pose. Walk your hands forward, get length, and drop your head. So ideally, you're sitting on your heels, forehead on the mat. Come on up. Come around. Have a seat. Bring those legs out in front of you. Left leg is forward. Right knee bends out to the right. So my front right foot is on my inner thigh. Reach forward. Hold on to something. You can hold on to your knee, your shin, or your ankle, or your foot. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, drop. If you have tight hamstrings, you can again use the blocks. You can use the blocks even kind of high. If you want to rest your arms on the blocks and hang here, this is a nice position if you have tight hamstrings. If you can get the blocks a little lower, put them a little lower, lean forward. If you don't need the blocks, you don't need the blocks. Take the blocks away, hold on to your ankle or your foot, drop it down. If you are super, super flexible, move your body to the inside edge of your front foot, come back with that forehead to the mat. Breathing in and out. One more breath in and out. Walk it back up. Lean back on your hands. Open your chest, open your heart. Take an inhale. Exhale, come forward. Release both legs. Right leg is long. Bend the left knee out to the left. I'm on the inside edge of my front right thigh. Hold on to something. You don't want to be hanging out in the air because that's how you hurt your back. Hang on for stability. Hang on to something. Again, each side is different, you know. So this side, we're going to try it, see how we are high on the blocks. Leaning forward. It's a big hamstring stretch, but for me, I feel the stretch in my low back too. If you can lower those blocks, lower them a little more. That's a lot deeper. If you don't need the blocks, get rid of the blocks. You don't need them. Hold on to something and lean forward on your front right leg. Those of you super, super flexible, come to the inside of your front leg. Forehead comes onto the mat. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Lift your body. Hands come behind you. Lift your chest on an inhale. And exhale, come forward. Coming forward around on your mat. Take a nice straddle on the mat. So I'm not cranking this straddle. I'm actually bringing the legs a little bit in. So it's a narrow straddle because I'm taking a twist with this straddle. Take your opposite hand to opposite ankle or opposite outer edge of your knee. Reach back with your other hand and look at your back hand. Whoo, nice. Oh, I can feel this twist in my low back. Come back to center, opposite hand, either opposite outer edge of your knee or opposite ankle. Reach back. Ha. Come back around to center. Doing the other side again. Reaching outside, ankle or knee. Other hand is back, and I want you to twist that upper body so you're getting that nice twist in the obliques to look at your back hand. Come back around. Last time on this side. Reach back. Look at your back hand. That's the full twist. Come forward. Hands to the backs of your knees. Lean it back to release. Turn around like you're facing the front of your mat. Bring those heels close into your bum. Pick your heels up. Give yourself a little hug, and it's a super nice round in your low back. Ooh. As you lift your head, hands behind your hamstrings, lift up your feet, open your elbows wide, open your throat, lift the chest, keep lifting, 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 open your throat. Looking forward, toes come back to the mat. Give yourself a little hug, round the back, nice and snug. Ooh. Take a breath. One more time. Hands to the backs of your hamstrings. Lift the feet. Open your elbows wide. Lift your chest high. Open your throat. Take an inhale. Take an exhale. Take your feet to the mat, looking forward. Take your feet forward. This time your feet are totally together. Flex your feet. Hold the bottom of your feet if you can. And open your elbows, fold forward. Inhale. Exhale. Lift the body. Lean it back, feet together, palms pressed down. Lift your chest, open your throat. Take an inhale and take a one more inhale. Press those feet into the mat. Lift your bum. Inhale. Inhale. Release the pose. Bring your bum down. Look forward. Come around to your mat. Cross your ankles. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, release your arms. Two more, simple. Inhale up. Get the air. Exhale, release. Last one, inhale up. Exhale, release. You've had a gentle but strong at the same time little stretch for your body for a nice post-workout stretch. Thanks for joining me and trying to incorporate this into your routine daily. See you next time, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more videos like this, go to yoginora.com.